All right, good afternoon. How are you? What's with the clapping? Yay. Why are you clapping? Anyway, all right. I'm used to the likes. Oh, there are hearts again. Hi. So I hope you had a great lunch. What did you eat for lunch? Would you mind sharing? Sadness. Oh my God. Fried fish. Oh, fish. All right. Because you're near the river, so there must be abundant fried pork with cucumber. How about the others? All right. Tooch right here. Why are you sad? All right. Let's begin our discussion. Buddha is here. Coffee. All right. You had coffee. Just kidding. All right. Coffee. So for this afternoon, we'll have another set of discussion for the activities that you would use to assess your students' ability to speak. All right. So another activity would be what we call the description task. All right. So right here in a description task, your students would be asked to describe an object, a location, or a picture. All right. So in reality, you might ask your students to think of something or to bring an item or to tell something about a place or a picture that they have. And other students would mostly be guessing what that item is. So, for example, as a description task, here's an individual description task. Describe a member of your family. Or in your case, you could ask them, describe your favorite foods, describe how you like your coffee, or describe the fish that you just ate this lunch. Okay. While if it's a paired description task or a group description task, what you could do is to give them a set of items or objects, and you'll ask them to describe that particular item. And the other person will be guessing what the item they are trying to describe. All right. That's one task for them to practice their English speaking skill. All right. Second task would be a narrative task. The difference is of a narrative task to a description task is that when you are doing a description task, you just ask your students to describe. However, in a narrative task, you narrate. There's a sequence. For example, you will give them a set of pictures to retell the events, or you will ask them to tell a story, or it's like the students would be doing a monologue, for example, narrating something that they have done, or something that they could have experienced for the past days, or a memorable experience that they have. All right. Narrative tasks could be individual or paired also, just like the description task. So in a paired task, it's quite fun because the speakers, the pair or the group could construct their story together. It's like finishing each other's sentences, all right? So here's an example of a narrative task that you could give to students. But of course, as you could see, we have a variety of tasks that we could use to assess our students' speaking skills. So later, we will be doing these tasks too. All right. Individual, for example, I am going to give you a set of pictures that tell a story. Each picture is numbered in order of the story. So you have 3 minutes to study the picture and to prepare to tell the story. Narrative task. However, on the paired narrative task, for example, this test is about a story that is told in 6 pictures, which are numbered in the order of events. So partner A could have pictures 1, 3, and 5, and partner B could have pictures 2, 4, and 6. So they will also have 3 minutes to prepare to talk about those pictures. And as a teacher, you will be assessing how well they would be describing or narrating what happened in the pictures or in the story together. All right. As you could see, tasks that require collaboration among your students would work really best for them to not feel that they are alone. But in some cases, you should always require your students to speak individually because that would help them really practice their speaking skills. All right, so third task would be an instruction task. All right, so an instruction task will be something like telling somebody to do something, instruction. All right, so you have to make your students describe directions or the instructions so that the other person could understand. All right. So individual task, of course, it's quite lacking in terms of interaction. But in the paired task, of course, you could use turn taking and you could ask the pair to perform specific kinds of tasks based on the instruction task. All right. Individual, for example, just tell me if I'm going too fast. All right. But I know that as we go on, as you practice this particular activity, of course, you will be knowing how to conduct these tasks. All right. So, for example, individual, I am going to ask you to give directions for how to get to a particular place. Tell me how to get from school to your house, something like that. And for the paired instruction task, right here, for example, I'm going to describe a task that will involve giving instruction to partner A. Your partner has left an important book at home and he or she needs it for homework. Your partner does not have time to go and get it. You know where he or she lives and you agree to help. Listen to your partner's instructions and ask questions if there's anything you don't understand. Check the instructions with your partner by explaining what you will do when you get to his or her house, where you will look to find the book. And to partner B, of course, you must give your partner the instructions on how to find the book. Tell your partner exactly what to do, then check that your partner understands by asking him or let him summarize what you just said. All right? What to do when he or she gets to your house and where to find the book. So as much as possible, when we are trying to do instruction tasks, you have to really check with the other person if they could still understand what you are trying to instruct them, because it may become a problem if the other person did not really understand what you are instructing them. There might be misunderstanding, as always. All right. Next one is a decision-making task. Based on the title, of course, you will ask your students to make a decision or an alternative to whatever should be discussed or what should happen or what should they decide on, and so that they could help each other develop their speaking skills. So for example, a decision making task would more likely involve negotiation, and it could be done individually or by pair also, and it is used to provide activities to practice their interaction or interactive negotiation skills. So we have here certain examples as an individual decision-making task. Example, you and your classmates have just discovered that you can choose among 5 different options where to go for a class trip in the local area. Here are some pictures of places that you could visit. Study the pictures for 2 minutes and describe the attraction of each place for the school to visit. Finally, give your opinion on which one you should prefer and explain why. So more likely, in this particular task, you could see how your students would be giving reasons, rationalizing about the things that uh, they want to argue about. All right. And for the group or paired, of course, there would be a group of students deciding particularly for a specific thing or a specific context. Example, you have been asked to design a poster that outlines the best ways to practice and improve speaking skills. It will be displayed at a student language learning conference in your school. Discuss the ideas and rank them in the order of importance in which they will appear on the poster. All right. So that's also an example of a decision-making task. And then the last one for this set of activities is the explanation and prediction task. So as you could read from its title, the students will be predicting or explaining what could possibly happen next. All right. So they would have to explain why they have predicted such a scenario to happen, what will happen next. All right. Identify the components of the information and let them explain and predict. Of course, there would be assessment. Why did you come up with such prediction? All right. So an example would be for the individual, you could have them read a graph, and right here, the graph used for this task shows the population figures in our country over the past 5 years. Please study the table for 2 minutes and then tell me about the following. 1. The information provided in the graph. 2. The reasons for the changes you see in the graph. All right. So the students would be predicting what will happen if in the next 5 years, what will possibly happen to the population. Will it decrease or increase based on what the graph shows? And another one example would be the paired or group explanation or prediction task. So, for example, they will have the same set of data, but they will answer or discuss the following issues. 1. What problems could arise from the trends in the population numbers? And second, what advantages could there be in these population trends? Right? So You can see there are discussions that will happen in the paired or group as compared to the individual, where the student will just be deciding or predicting things on their own. All right. So now we will now have another activity, but this would not be very, very long as compared to the other one. I will stop sharing my screen first. All right. So in 5 minutes, I want you to get three random items. Three, all right? Three random items in your space, in the space where you are, probably at home, in your dormitory, and do not tell us about that item. All right? So your timer starts now, and in 5 minutes, we will begin our discussion. All right? Ready? Get five random items. All right. See you in 5 minutes. Be back in 5 minutes. Okay, are you back? Are you there already?
Yeah, I'm here.
All right. How about the others? All right. Buddha is here. Mengshib, are you there? Wekong. All right. Bore. Bore, are you there? How about Feng? Liang Hor, are you there? All right. All right. So I want everybody to turn on their cameras for a while. All right. Ready? Are you ready? I'll just share my screen. Feng is there. All right. will change. Else. Was not yet included. Yeah, four corn, five corn. Corn, boring. All right, so let's begin. So I will. So you have there the wheel, and we'll see who's gonna be the first one to describe the item. All right, that she has. You have to choose one item only, and then after everybody's done, all right, then you will have your next item. So the first one to guess the item that your classmate is describing will get 1 point. All right. So you have 10 chances to get the points. Sorry, 9, because you're the one would be yourself. All right. So let's begin. Who's gonna be the first one to describe the item that she or he has? All right. So Bore, you saw that. You are the first one to describe the item. So right after, you show us the item that you have if they are correct. All right.
Teacher, am I going to describe without showing the item?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
So I have the item. Uh, it is connected. It is this time, and it has a cap. It has a cap to like cover the whole body, and it is a plastic. Yes. Is it enough? Can you get it? I really want to get it. Yeah.
You just answer right away, and then Bore will tell us if you are correct.
Right, please tell it again.
Okay, so I have this item. It is this time, and it has a cap to cover the whole. It has a head and the cap to cover it, and it is plastic. It can contain like liquid in it. Can you guess what it is?
A bottle.
Who's the one who answered?
Sister become.
Kwekong,
It is bottle.
show us the bottle. All right. So,
Teacher, I
all
said
right.
bottle of water.
Meng Chief, could you please take note of who's getting the points? You just write down who gets the point. So, first point is for Gwekong. Okay, you start. You start.
Yeah, teacher. Good afternoon, teacher. Okay. Um, a seat for one person with a sport bike.
Who answered correctly? Are there correct answers already?
Yeah, teacher.
Yes. So they are correct. It's a chair.
Yeah, teacher.
All right. All right. Show us the chair.
Yeah.
So you see the next one.
Yes,
Ready?
yeah.
By
Um,
the way, the one who received the point is Tuch for Pa.
Yeah, teacher. Got it.
Ready? You describe your item now.
yeah, teacher. Let me start. This thing is you rub on your face, and it can protect the damage of the sunlight on your face. It protects your face from sunlight.
Who got the correct answer? So Ben Chief said it's a mask. Who else? Tuch said it's sunscreen. Gwekong sunscreen. All right. Corn sunscreen. Buddha mask. Glasses. Raincoat. Why raincoat? Oh my god. So you cover your face with a raincoat like that? Can't imagine. Srey, who got the correct answer? No one? So it's a tube.
It's sunscreen, teacher.
Sunscreen. All right. All right. All right. Thank you. So another point for the first one. Why is it always you? I'll remove. I'll remove first. Another one. All right, your turn.
Yep, my turn. So my thing is that it is the thing can beat, can always beat, and it will beat faster when I can see someone beautiful. That's correct. That is correct.
That is
So
correct.
me too,
Show
yeah.
us.
But I
Show us.
cannot show. I can just
All right.
and Minchu is the one who got it first.
Uh, so it is an item that we connect with the thing that we use to write the letter, and its name like the animal.
What's the answer? What's the answer? Did somebody get it correctly? Not yet. Not yet.
Yes, teacher, Boray got the correct mouse.
Mouse? How? Why?
Uh, yes, teacher, because it the name similar to the animal in the house.
Yes, but you use it for writing.
No, I said it the item that we connect to the thing that we use to write the word.
Okay. Okay. All right. I get it. So Bore got it correctly. Thank you. Thank you. Let's have the next one.
the item that we can cover something that we think it is important.
Can you tell us the shape or the color?
It's small and it like the pen, similar pen.
All right. Did somebody get the correct answer already? Not yet.
Boracha.
Boring. All right.
Yes.
Boring, you're so good at this. You're so good at this. All right, I get it. She's trying to say you highlight, you cover the important words using the highlighter, but it's not really covered. It's just highlighted. All right, all right. Thank you for that. All right. Next, who's the next one? So we have three more. Where's your highlighter, by the way? All right, all right, all right. Next, let's have corn. Corn, right?
Yeah, teacher.
All right.
Yes. I have a thing that we can use it for note something, and it it use it's made from the cái picture làm sao? Don't know how to. But again, let me start seeing each plan again. Uh, it is the thing that we can use to cut something, like we can cut the pepper.
Gosh.
Yes.
All right. Buddha, you're so fast. Is he correct? Scissors?
Yes, scissors.
This
I
show us
change.
the scissors.
Here thì mọi người.
All right. Scissors. Scissors? All right. All right. So last would be a battle between the two.
Yeah, teacher. For me, the something that we used to connect with our telephone or our laptop um, to make them louder. Yeah.
Who got the correct answer? Is it a headphone or a speaker?
Speaker is correct. Teacher.
Speaker is correct. Can you show us the speaker? All right. And the last one. Can't hear you.
Who teacher? Me? Me, man.
Yes, yes. Ready?
Car that has four string. What is that? Okay. Can you hear? Oh, again. ลื่อนไป. Can you hear it clearly?
Yes, yes.
So, the item that I will choose to talk is that it is a music instrument that is smaller than the guitar, and it has a four string. What is that? It's a music instrument. Yeah, Chanel is correct.
All right. Shani is correct. Show us. Show us. All right. Sample. Give us a sample.
Bro, Chanel is correct. Yeah.
Yeah. Like, play the ukulele for us.
What? Again, the chat. What did you say?
Can you play the ukulele for us?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Bore, what can you say? He can do it. He knows how to play. Buddha knows how to play the ukulele.
Yeah, I know it, but I can't play right now, teacher. I'm very nervous.
Then Bore would play. Please, baby. Bore would play. Can you do it? No. By the way, we have Chanib here. Are you here? Are you here a while back? Yes.
I'm just coming, teacher.
You just came in. All right. So we are having an activity to have three random items with you, and you're going to explain to us what that item is without telling us what is that. All right, so you have 5 seconds. 5 seconds to get your item and then tell us what that item is. So Shani, you've got it right. We'll wait for you, okay? Buddha, you practice while waiting. All right. So the next thing that you have, all right, because for the first run, what you did was you described to us the item by telling us its function. So right away, we knew that you use it to cut papers. We know right away that it's scissors. You connect it to make the music louder. So right away, we already know it's a speaker. Now let's have a twist to whatever your second item is. All right. You will describe us the size, the shape, and do not tell us what it is used for. All right. Tell us everything aside from what the item is used for. Okay? Okay? You get it? Aside from that, you just describe its physical appearance. For example, I have here something blue and about, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inches in length. And it has teeth. It has spikes, I guess. I should consider this as spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's you could ask questions if you want to know about what it is. All right. If I tell you right away where it's used, you might know the answer right away. Like if I tell you it's used for, and then right away you'll know it. So I'm just trying to describe to you how it looks like. All right. So you guess. I have here it could be different colors, but right now what I have here in my hand is color blue, and it has spikes or teeth, I guess. 13 in total. No. Uh, what should I consider these things? Similar to spikes, but not really spikes. It is the spikes that I'm talking about is equally divided or equally apart from one another. And it's almost this big, around 8 inches, I guess. Keyboard, no. You see, it's getting difficult, right? Calculator, no. Calculator with spikes, imagine. Or teeth, similar to teeth. No. How would I manage to get a shark and bring it here? If only I can. All right. So you see, you're not getting any idea since lipstick, toothbrush, similar to toothbrush, it's also an object. No. It's used by people, yes. But I cannot tell you where. All right, you're correct, Gwekong. It's a comb. All right. So that's how you should describe your next item. Do not tell me or do not tell us, all right, this is used for the hair. For example, I use it for the hair and then automatically you know that it's a comb, right? So that's going to be the twist for the next item that you have. All right. Are you ready? Ready. Ready. Shanif, are you ready? You have your items now? Yes? All right. So it's a little more difficult now since you don't have the freedom to tell us where you use it. Okay. So I'm not going to use the randomizer anymore. Let's begin with, all right. Buddha, give me a number from 1 to 10.
Number nine.
9? All right. Let
Yeah.
me count on my screen who's the ninth person. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's you. All right. I'll show it to you. I'm not kidding. It's you. I don't know if I could paste the screenshot here. I can't.
Uh, so I will describe the item again, teacher.
Yes.
So yeah, I see, teacher.
All right.
Mm, so the item is what's the, let me think.
All right. I'll give you, each one of you, I'll give you 1 to 2 minutes to think about how you're going to describe the item. All right. So 1 to 2 minutes to think about, and then Buddha, after 2 minutes, we begin. Okay? All right. You may turn off your cameras for a while. Let's just open it after 2 minutes. If you don't want to turn it off, it's fine. Ready? Are you ready? Let's begin. Turn on your cameras now. Again. So we have
yes,
Buddha,
teacher.
Foray, Chief, Sway, Corn. All right. Ready? Ready, ready. Foray. Shani, don't show us your items. Hide it. Hide, hide. Ready?
So I'm going to describe the item. So this item is it, its shape is flat, and sometimes it's plastic, and sometimes it will be this could be aluminum. It's flat, and yeah, it could be so. Before I'm slow, my internet is slow to check. Again, the item that I'm going to describe is shaped like uh it's flat, and sometimes it could be plastic and could be uh uh metal that uh it has kind of three that attached together. It's flat. Yeah, it's flat and no, not like container. No container.
Circle. Is it circle?
It's not so called. It's could
Square.
okay. That's good.
No. Why?
It's flat and long, and
Long.
it's three and attached together. Yeah. Three no. Three no. Yes, it is fan. Fan. Yeah, it's correct. It's ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. It's flat and it has three wings attached together. Yeah, it's fan. Ceiling fan. Like
All right. All right. Can you show us? Can you show us?
yeah. Wait.
Where?
Here. You can see.
All right. All right.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So you get to choose who's gonna be the next one.
Um. Maybe Jimran, because
Red.
he's not giving us like.
Who is Imran? Who is Imran?
Ready.
Okay, let me see this. I don't know how to describe this one. It has rectangle shape and what's it? It's made of plastic and I think aluminum. I think, and teacher, we cannot tell the what the use for it's used for. You know, it can they put it in the office or the room that it is hot. Oh, teacher, you're right. I think this one is kind of a little bit more. This one.
All right. Rectangle. I was expecting the air conditioner shape like that, not not the one that's looking like a refrigerator. All right. Straight up also. All right. So you get to choose the next person. So the one who answered correctly is Douche again. Mm-mm. You choose the next one.
The gong or corn, teacher, corn.
Corn.
It's like okay. Yes. So now, let me do 3 clue to guess my item. Yes. First, it is a small one that we can wear it in your wrist. It has a various colors for us to buy, and it has 3 arms in a circle face. Yes.
No. Don't tell us where you use it. Alright, so we have here another point for cartouche. Uh, next, you get to choose the next one.
Mình chiếu.
Your turn.
The thing like it is a piece of fabric, but like a bit big and long. But normally every every people house has it. Hmm. Like it. Sometimes people use it to decorate something. Okay. Teacher is correct. Vâng từ trả phúng.
I got the correct answer. It's curtain. It's not a blanket. All right. You get to choose the next one.
Right. Yeah, I recall right.
Yes, teacher. So I have this. It is small with a piece, and it is sometimes liquid and creamy. It has girls color, and also it has a small, like, it's spike. Okay, it's spike. It's like a small brush. Wait together. Oh, it's yes, the I got it.
Are they correct? Are they correct?
Yes, it's lipstick. Yes.
All right. So Buddha. Is it Buddha? No. It's Raypov. Got the correct answer. First, brush toilet. Oh my god. Next. Choose the next one.
Sorry, I will choose reply.
Yeah. So the thing is circle and circle rubber that's covered by fabric, loose fabric. No, it's circle like this. Not that big. It's small. Yeah. Yeah, Min Chiu got it. It's crunchy. This one.
Next. You choose the next one. It's Raypov.
Just uh get home.
Gekko.
Teacher, can I make it the sound?
The sound.
Yes. I think if they heard the sound, maybe they can guess easily. But let me try to explain first.
Do not make the sound.
Let me explain first, teacher. uh, so its shape is rectangle, and the inside of it have a piece of cloth that and the inside have a piece of cloth to clean something, and the outside of the thing that I asked you to guess has many color. It can be have the cartoon or something or the brand name of the shop. Could you guess?
It's an object.
No, teacher, again. The shape is rectangle. And it we can open and close when we need to take the thing in it, and then it has a piece of cloth in it to wrap the thing in it. The long maybe 20 centimeter. It look like a box.
Tissue. No, not tissue. So there's like cloth inside. Ah, ah, ah. It's what do you call that? It's a cabinet, something like that. But it's
Uh, can I give one more clue? I use it to keep the thing that I wear every day.
yeah.
It has a yellow one, yellow color.
How about my answers? Wardrobe.
No,
The thing that you keep your clothes in. Tủ quà đi trời.
no, man. The thing that I keep, the thing I wear every day, I need to wear it. And the inside, it has a piece of cloth that I use to wrap the thing I, the thing I wear every day. No, not makeup box.
Glass container.
Yes, it is.
I was actually thinking the same, but I'm not really sure if you're wearing glasses. So, all right. All right. Next. Thank you for that. So, who's that? Which again? Who got the correct answer? All right. You get to choose the next one, please.
Sister Liên Hoa.
Langhor.
Dạ cha. Uh, the thing that we can use every time and everyone. You can wrap the face or your mouth, and it can we can put it in the box. Chụp lên mời. Jamran is correct.
Tissue. All right.
Yes.
Tissue. All right. Choose the next one.
Teacher.
My thing is it has crown, it has buckle, it has a logo, it has a button, it has times, it has day of the week. And you got the answer. It has backcall and clone, and it also has a strand. Strand, clone, and backcall. Almost correct. Well, no. It's similar to clock and similar to iWatch. No. Again, it has a button, a side button on the side. It is round. It has a logo. It has times. It has a strand. It is round. It is round, small, round. It has bottom and has day of the week, has time. Almost correct, smartwatch. Almost correct. Oh, I see the answer. Slipper is correct. Watch. Here is the buckle, the strand. The next would be the pet.
Yes, that is my turn. For me, a substance that come in small packages, and some people need it all the time, but not the most. It's some of the people. Yes. When they feel sleepy. Oh, and it take it to increase their to make a fresh feelings, and it weigh about 20 grams, and the shape is square.
Watch, come on, bro.
Yes. I know because Mr. Tui is clearly about literature. Yes, that is coffee.
That is Arabica coffee.
Yes, perfect.
It's just coffee or something else. I have already
Coffee.
the coffee, right?
Can you show us? Can you show us?
Coffee.
I know,
the name of
but
coffee.
yes.
There's the coffee. Show us the coffee. Oh, there's Buddha High. So you just near each other literally. Why not just use one laptop or one screen? It's fine. It's fine. You sit together. All right. So everybody has. How about Sibeng? You're back.
Gesture solution.
Yes.
The item that I will describe is it's small as finger and it's important for our student or especially for exam. Just their slide is pen.
That's so fast. All right. So who said it correctly first? So we have Chamre. All right. Just a rundown of your scores during the description task. Kwekong got 1 point, 2, 6, Bore 2, Buddha 2, Shaniv 2, Shrey 2, Peng Chief 1, and Chamrem 1. Any violent reactions?
I got two, not
I got
one.
2.
Crunchy and
2.
hot.
All right. Chamrem got 1, right? Buddha 1. Any violent reactions? So the highest pointer is Tooch with 6 points. Clap, clap, clap. All right. I can't give you a reward physically right now because we are far from each other. But normally, if my students would be getting the highest point, they get a reward. So that would be it for our description task. I asked you to get 3 items, yes, but of course, there would be items that you would like to describe rather than the other one. So that you just have your options. That's why I asked you to bring 3. Bore got 2, correct? 3. All right, 3. All right. Gwekong, you got 1, correct? All right, all right. So since Buddha has been practicing the ukulele for a while, after our short break, Buddha will give us and Bore, the two of them, will give us a intermission number for later.
No, teacher, you said
Okay.
this morning Kenny will be play the guitar and Sray will be the one who sing, teacher. You said this morning.
Let's ask Chamrem if he has the guitar with him.
Yeah, of course he has it.
Of
No,
course
no,
he
no,
has.
no.
So
I'm
he
an
will
office.
play one song for us, and who's that? Sray Paul will sing for us, right? That's that's too difficult to sing.
Teacher,
Yes, yes.
I'm not clear about my point. How do I get points?
You have when you answered right here.
No, I mean I have the correct answer. Like the first one, like I think it's 2 or 3. It's not that one.
You got 2 or 3? All right. Let me take note of that. All right. So because of that, you will give us an intermission, a song number later. Once we get back. So would you like to have a break? Everyone? All right. So let's have a short break. I guess 10 minutes or 20 minutes again would be fine so that you can practice. And then we'll have another activity after. Speaking activity again, of course. This is productive skills. We want you to practice and practice and practice all the time. All right. I shall see you after 20 minutes.
Yes, teacher. See you soon.
See you. See you with your guitar later.